Hi there, I'm N0 Ramos from Argentina. I'm driving my drive on waste car at 115 kilometers per hour. This is 78 miles per hour, only on waste on water, no gasoline, no liquid petroleum gas. There you can see my fuels that are bags full of waste. In the corner of my cabin, I have a carbon monoxide detector. You can see here. On the back of my truck, I have a gasifier working at full. As you can see here, I'm pulling off the road 36 from the Peñero to Córdoba, Argentina, just to show you that there are no tricks. Today is June 24th, year 2020. I'm driving a Ford Falcon Ranchero. This is a Ford Falcon pickup, model 1983, with a huge engine. It's a Ford 221, that's 3.6 liter. This video, it has not been edited. It's in all in one piece, just to show you there are no tricks. I'm removing now the air filter just to show that there's no liquid petroleum gas line connected, as you can see here. And now I'm going to show you that the gasoline line also is disconnected to the carburetor, as you can see here. That means that the engine is fed only by the white hose that carries feeds the engine with carbon monoxide and hydrogen and oxygen coming from the splitting water. When I accelerate the engine, barely can be seen that the hose shrinks because of the suction of the engine. Today's menu are walnut shells. This is not the car of the movie Back to the Future, but yes, it's the car of the future, because when we run out of oil, there's not going to be too many options, and the waste and water is a very good option. Okay, all this may be for the glory of God.